Hello students, I am Dr. Naveen Kumar and today we will discuss about Guruvadigun, a brief introduction basically. This brief introduction is about controversy created by different texts, different acharyas over the number of Guruvadigun. So, before going into details of each and every pharmacokinetic or pharmacodynamic aspect of Guruvadigun, let's clear this controversy first of all. So, Charak Samhita. Acharya Charak in Sharir Sthan chapter 6, slok number 10, he mentioned Sharir Dhatu Guna. So, first of all, you have to check this out that he mentioned Sharir Dhatu Guna, शरीर की धातुओं के गुण, and then he mentioned गुरु लघु, शीत उष्ण, गुरु लघु, शीत उष्ण, स्निग्ध रुक्ष, मंद तीक्ष्ण, स्थिर सर, मृदु कठिन, विशद पिच्छिल, श्लक्षणखर, स्थूल सूक्ष्म, सांद्र and द्रवा. Basically these 20 total number of gun will be 20 in 10 pairs of contrasting pharmacological properties, means Guru will be opposite to Laghu, Sheet will be opposite to Ushna, hence Snigdh opposite to Ruks, Mand opposite to Tikshna and so on. So Charak Samhita, Acharya Charak mentioned 20 Guruvadi gun basically, and he mentioned this 20 as Sharir Dhatu Gun, शरीर की धातुओं के गुण. And in the same very shlok, he also mentioned Teshu ye Guruvaste, Guru Bihar Vikar Gunair Abhyas Man Apayante, Lagvascha Harasanti. Now see, आचार्य चरक का मत है कि गुरु गुण का अभ्यास करने से, गुरु गुण के द्रव्यों का आहार विहार और उनका अभ्यास करने से शरीर में गुरु गुण की ही वृद्धि होती है और लघु का ह्रास होता है. ठीक, इट मीन्स गुरु गुण के आहार विहार और गुरु गुण के द्रव्यों के अभ्यास करने से शरीर की जिन जिन धातुओं में गुरु भाव है उनकी वृद्धि होगी और जिन जिन धातुओं में लघु भाव है उनका ह्रास होगा. ठीक इसके अपोजिट ही मेंशन लघवस्तु लघु अभिराप्यायन्ते गुरुवश्च ह्रसन्ति. लघु द्रव्यों का एडमिनिस्टर करने से, इनटेक करने से शरीर की धातुओं के लघु भाव की वृद्धि होगी और गुरु भाव का ह्रास होगा. सो गुणों से जो चिकित्सा कर्म किया जाता है उसका सिद्धांत यहाँ से लिया गया है. सर्वदा सर्वभावानाम सामान्यम वृद्धि कारणम, गुरु और लघु द्रव्यों के सेवन से शरीर के गुरु और लघु भाव की वृद्धि होना, विशेषस्तु ह्रास और उसके विपरीत भाव का ह्रास हो जाना. एज द श्लोक स्टेटेड, एवमेव सर्व धातु गुणानाम सामान्य योगाद वृद्धि विपर्याद ह्रास, समान से समान भाव की वृद्धि और विपरीत से ह्रास हो जाना. एंड द रेफरेंस इज टेकन फ्रॉम चरक शारीर चैप्टर 6 श्लोक नंबर 10. A brief review. Charak mentioned 20 gun in 10 pairs, 10 contrasting traits, contrasting biological activity. Basically, those exhibit a contrasting biological activity, and these are Guru Laghu, Sheet Ushna, Snigdh Ruksh, Mand Tikshna, Sthir Sar, Mradu Katin, Vishad Pichil, Slakshan Khar, Sthul Shukshma, Sandra and Drav. The rest of the Acharya or the rest of text we will study in reference of this very particular shlok. Now Sushrut Samhita. In Sutra Sthan 46, going by Sushrut, firstly he described 10 gun, Sheet Ushna, Snigdh Ruksh, Vishad Pichil, Tikshna Mridu, Guru and Laghu, and he described them as Adi Vishishta Karmanya gun. Then again he said he is describing another 10, but he has described 12, but in his own shlok he has mentioned the word Vinshati. So according to him, the number should be 20, but while describing, he has mentioned 12. So this is something controversial, and he named the another 12 or 10 according to him. He termed them as Anya Gun, and he mentioned Drav, Sandra, Shlakshan, Karkash, Sugandh, Durgandh, Sar, Mand, Vaivai, Vikasi, and Ashukari and Shukshma. So according to the text, the total number would be 22, but in shlok Sushrut Samhita has mentioned word Vinshati. So this is something controversial. While describing, he has mentioned 22 gun, but in the shlok he has mentioned 20. In this context, a few scholars may have doubted that we are not accessing the original Shushrut Samhita. Anyway, Shushrut did not mention Kathin, Sthul, Sthir and Khargun, which are described by Acharya Charak in Charak Samhita. So Shushrut, he excluded out Kathin, Sthul, Sthir and Khargun. And of course, he mentioned Mradu in place of Mand. He mentioned Karkash with Lakshan in place of Khar. Then he mentioned Mandagun in place of Sthir, described by Acharya Charak. And these Ashukari, Vaivai and Vikasi, these three are not described by Acharya Charak. So these are unique to Acharya Shushrut. Ashtang Sangrah Sutra first typically mentioned or typically follows Acharya Charak. Guru Mand Him Snigdha Lakshan Chandra Mradu Sthira Guna Sa Sukshma Vinchati Sa Vipriya. 10 pairs opposite contrasting traits and total number would be 20 following Charak Samhita. Then Bhav Prakash Samhita. Bhav Prakash mentioned that they are following Shushrut here, but there are a few controversies again. He mentioned the total gun would be 20 again, but of course again they mentioned 22 in number while describing the text. So according to Bhav Prakash Samhita, they mentioned Guru and Laghu, Snigdh and Ruksh, Tikshn and Slakshan, Sthir and Sar, Pichil and Vishad, then Sheet Ushna, Mridu Karkash, Sthul Sukshma, Drav and Shushk, Ashu and Mand, added Vaivai and Vikasi along with examples. So here of course total number would be 22, but of course going by the shlok the total number would be 20. Again controversial. The difference between Bhav Prakash and Shushrut is in Shushrut Samhita basically Tikshn Gun is paired with Mradu and Slakshan is paired with Karkash. So Bhav Prakash interchanged both of these. Okay, interchanged both of these. Then Shushk Gun is unique to Bhav Prakash. No other text have described Shushk Gun. Shushk Gun is described only and only by Bhav Prakash, opposite to Drav Gun. Then Sthir Gun, which was excluded by Acharya Shushrut but included in Charak and Ashtang. Bhav Prakash included Sthir against Sargun, and of course Mand is paired with Ashugun, contrasting to Shushrut Samhita, and he mentioned Vaivai and Vikashigun. So resolving this controversy, our total number of Gurvadigun, basically it was derived that Gun, the Sankhya, the total number of Gun can be described in two terms, Niyat Sankhyavad and Aniyat Sankhyavad. Niyat, as the word suggests, fixed, total number will be fixed. Aniyat, where total number will not be fixed, giving a look into it. See, Niyat Sankhyavad. So the followers of Niyat Sankhyavad, they described the total number of Gurvadi Gun will be 20. It should not be more than 20. If any Gun about 20 would be considered, it would be considered as Prakshipta Gun, and others would be included under these 20 established Gurvadi Gun. Means if there is any other Gun described by any Acharya at any different place or different culture, then these will be included under these already established 20 Gun. Examples, they mentioned Sar Gun, they mentioned Vaivai Gun in Sar, Vikasi in Tikshna, Sugandh in Mand, Durgandh in Tikshna, Ashukari in Chal, Prasanna Gun in Sthula, Vistra Gun in Tikshna, Shuchi and Vimal Gun in. Hence, they mentioned the total number of Gurvadi Gun should remain be 20, not more than 20. That is Niyat Sankhyavad. Then Aniyat Sankhyavad. Aniyat means when the number is not fixed, of course, the 20 are considered as Upalakshan Matra. Here the followers of Aniyat Sankhyavad, they mentioned that the 20 number of Gurvadi Gun is just symbolic. Upalakshan Matra. There could be many more, innumerable, based on different time, different text and different cultures. So they they advocated the total number of Gurvadi Gun should not be 20. It could be more than 20 based on different text, time and culture. But Niyat Sankhyavad mentioned that Gurvadi Gun should only be 20, and if more than 20 are considered, the other considered gun should be included in already established 20 Gurvadi Gun given by Acharya Charak, advocated by Acharya Shushruta Bhavprakash and Ashtang Sangrah. Though there are controversies, but every one of them has mentioned the word Vinshati, 20. So this was a brief about the controversy arising from the number of Gurvadi Gun. In next lecture, we will discuss the details of each and every Gurvadi Gun with their pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic relevations. Till the next lecture, keep studying guys. Thank you.